Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not showing old messages. Are your old messages missing on Facebook Messenger? Don't worry, this is a common issue and in most of the case, your messages are not deleted. Let's go through the simple step to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Messenger needs a strong and stable connection to load the conversation. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. This will open Control Center. Here you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or even you can turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. Now scroll down and wait. Sometimes old Messenger takes a few seconds to load, especially in long conversation. Give it a moment before scrolling further. You can also close the app and reopen the Facebook Messenger app. This refreshes the app and helps to reload the message history. Another important step is to update the Messenger app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Messenger and open it and check for the update. If update is available, tap it. Outdated version can cause old message not to appear. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.